Somebody give me sample.
Yeah.
I would say no thank you.
Oh, there it is. Hi everybody, I'm Merle, and today we are going to be making vegan chocolate ice cream with bean juice. I know what you're thinking, lady, you are absolutely insane, and you might be right. However, bean juice is a real ingredient, so much so that it actually has its own name, Aquafaba. Aqua being water, faba being bean. This probably looks familiar to you. You hear that? That's Aquafaba. So whether you're vegan or you just want to try a cool new ingredient or you want to give those laying hens a break, Aquafaba could be perfect for you. I'm a little skeptical about this, but we will find out. I mean, it looks like egg whites. Oh my God. Oh, ugh. Yeah, we don't need to do that again. The first thing we're gonna do is mix our coconut oil with our whole fat coconut milk. All right, I'm just gonna whisk this together to combine it a little more. You just wanna make sure you don't have any like chunks from the coconut oil or anything like that. Now we're gonna add our cocoa powder and get that nice and smooth. This is the rest of the Aquafaba that you may remember I tried earlier. Oh my God, that was fun. I'm just gonna put you in here. Now we're going to blend together our Aquafaba with some cream of tartar and the vanilla. Now we're gonna whip this together and it's supposed to reach some sort of like a nice airy meringue. Wow, look at this. If I didn't know better, I would assume this is just any old meringue. Oh, perfection. And that's how you know it's ready. You want these soft peaks. And just like any other meringue, you want to be able to turn it sideways and not have it move around. Now, I'm gonna sift in my powdered sugar 2 tablespoons at a time. Go. All right, gonna beat it to incorporate just a little bit. Again, don't wanna overdo it because if we overdo it, our beautiful meringue could deflate and that would be tragic. There's one more step and that is to fold in our chocolate infused coconut oil, but do it very gently because if I'm too aggressive with it, it could collapse. It's a theme with this Aquafaba, it can collapse. Okay, it's starting to come together quite nicely, if I do say so myself. She looks done. So now, I'm gonna put it in one of these little baking pans. I'm gonna do it overnight because I wanna make sure it really freezes through. And since we don't have dairy in it, it's harder for it to freeze in the same way that actual ice cream would. So, our ice cream has been freezing for 24 hours. And now it's time to try. I'm a little worried that the texture's not gonna be there. I feel like it looks really light, but whatever. It's too late now. We're gonna try it, hope for the best. Whoa, whoa, what is going on? It both looks like ice cream and doesn't at the same time. Okay, nobody's gonna be fooled and think that this is plain old ice cream that I picked up at the grocery store, but I'm pretty happy with it.
Is there any context? I'm just supposed to...
Oh, it's ice cream.
Just eat this?
Yay, thank you.
Oh my God.
It's chocolate, but it's a little bit tart.
Really explore the ice cream. If you can.
What is... did you break the bowl?
I'm so sorry, I was just so excited.
Right now I'm experiencing a different texture in the ice cream. It's slightly crumblier. Hopefully it's just as rich and creamy.
Is it?
No.
Well, that's not ice cream.
No, it's not.
It's like if you took snow and then you put chocolate on snow.
It's light. It makes you feel like you're eating a cloud.
What would you guess if you had to guess it was made of, instead of using dairy?
There's ice in there, huh?
Ice? It's a byproduct of something that you probably eat often.
Byproduct of something that I eat often.
I don't know if you do.
It's not bananas, right?
A byproduct of something
Yeah, what's a define a byproduct?
Seaweed?
Soy?
No.
Like, is there a soy or something?
You know, like the byproduct of an animal is milk.
Oh, is it milk?
You didn't use coconut milk.
No, I didn't. You eat a lot of canned this thing.
Corn! Cacao.
There is cacao in it.
Yeah.
Bread?
Beans. Yes. Oh my God.
Yeah, but it's bean juice.
Aquafaba.
What? How could you possibly guess that?
Because I know who you are, Merle.
Black beans? No. Pinto?
Chickpea.
Chickpea.
So what do you do with the aqua? You just like
Yep.
mix it all up, get
Just
it all
like
airy?
that.
I don't. What are we doing? Why are you making me do this?
I wouldn't eat that.
Ever?
It's a little too sweet for me.
The texture is similar to shaved ice, but the taste is very good.
Somebody give me sample.
Yeah.
I would say no thank you.
Oh, there it is.
And maybe less bold. That'd be great.
I think vegans and normal people would all appreciate it.
Excuse me.
I'm just kidding. I'm not. You're all normal.